Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get your accurate measurement. You have been struggling with measuring your chemical in the right way. In this video I got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and how I come about with this long lasting powerful bar soap. Okay, stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part. Okay guys, so this is my scale. So all you need to do is to turn it to 0 before you start measuring your chemical. Okay, the first thing I'm measuring is my soda hash, and I'm measuring 125 gram of soda hash. Okay, you can see once it's 125 gram, you stop adding. Okay, so we'll move on to our caustic soda now. Okay, so I'm measuring 125 gram also. Okay, I'm measuring 125 gram of caustic soda. And once you reach your 125 gram, you stop it. Okay, so you don't add too much, and if it is past, you reduce it. So it is time for us, after we have measured our production, our chemicals, it's time for us to begin with the production. Like I said earlier, this is semi-hot process, okay? And in this process, I'm using a half liter of PKO. That is 500 ml of PKO, which is half a liter. So once you get your water, you turn in your caustic soda into your water and you stir very well, okay, till everything is dissolved. After that, you stir. After that, then you now bring your PKO to turn inside. That is the next thing you need to do after you stir, that you know that your caustic soda has dissolved. This is my 500 ml of oil, which is half a liter. So I will turn it inside the mixed lye solution. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it. Follow the step and you are going to get a good result. If there is any question you want to ask me, you can leave it in the comment section and I will be there to answer you. Okay, so that is it on that. So guys, that is it. You can see the way I'm stirring it. You turn it till everything, the oil is mixed together with the lye solution. Okay, so that is it about that. You stir very well. This is semi-hot process. In this process, you don't allow your lye solution to cool down. Once you pour in your caustic soda, you pour in your oil immediately. So it is time for me to mix my soda hash. Okay, this is my soda hash and I'm mixing it inside water. After you mix it in water, then you mix it very well so that all the lumps will disappear. Okay, so that you will not find any lumps inside it. Yeah, that is what you are going to be doing. So exactly the way I'm doing it. After you mix everything, then you now bring it, you open your the one that you have mixed earlier, then you bring it, the mix soda hash, then you begin to pour it bit by bit. Okay, don't pour everything once. If you pour everything once, you are going to spoil your soap. Once you pour a bit, you stir, you mix that one. If you know that the water is dissolving, you pour another one again, like the way I'm doing, like the way it's showing on your screen. Okay, so that is it on that. So that is what you are going to be doing, and you are going to get a long lasting what is it called, bar soap. Okay, and you will be happy with yourself. This soap is going to foam very well because in this video I just use only 3 ingredients. I don't build only 3 chemical. I don't believe in packing all the whole chemicals into my soap before they know you make a laundry bar soap. Just 3 chemical, you are good to go. Okay, so that is it. You can see you just be turning it a bit by bit, and you are good to go, my dear. So that is how to make a perfect laundry bar soap, long lasting bar soap for that matter. So that is it. After you pour everything, that is the your soda hash, the mixed soda hash. So it is time, if you want to add your fragrance, your color. It is at this time that you started adding them. Okay, the color and the fragrance is optional, but to me, I do add. Okay, so I'm going to add my fragrance to it now. Okay, so I'm adding my fragrance now, but it's not compulsory you should add fragrance. Okay, so after you add your fragrance, the next thing you need to do is to turn. Okay, you stir very well. After that, you add your color. Okay, I've added my color. All this thing is optional, it's not compulsory. So I've added my color, and at this time, make sure your mold is ready. Okay, your mold should be ready because once it's started reaching that thick trace, it is time for you to pour into your mold. Okay, so it is time for me to pour into my mold. At this junction, my mold is already prepared. Okay, any type of mold you are using, make sure it's ready. Okay, so it is time for me to pour into my mold. You can see how the soap is looking. So you can see it's thick now, and look at it, the soap is smelling nice and it's looking so beautiful. Yeah, so guys, so that is it. If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more tips on how to make laundry bar soap. Okay, okay, you can even use two ingredients to make laundry bar soap. That is two chemical to make laundry bar soap. If you're interested, just drop it in the comment section and tell me, and I'll make a video on that. Okay, I achieved 6 bar of soap. Okay, so after that, this is the beautiful bar here. Yes, please share this video to the right audience. Let more people get this video. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.